विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. गोळावले वाघ हत्या प्रकरणात पावणे फामिलींतल्या दादल्याक अटक केली. शुक्रारा वाळपय प्रथम श्रेणी न्यायालयान तांचो जामीन मंजूर केलो. 9 दिसांनी तांची सुटका जाल्या. आरडीएक्स खातीर वाळपयच्या निलेश परवार.
Today in that tiger killing case, the accused were produced. They asked for extension of remand. They had filed bail. Basically, investigation is proceeding in a proper direction. Except we oppose the bail, saying that we require the clause which are still missing. But court has imposed conditions that they will report to the investigating officer for 10 days between 10 to 5 p.m. and investigation can be completed by the investigating. On this condition, the bail has been granted.